my
Created
God.
very nicely.
Very nice.
Small onions.
Is him, the chef Suresh Pillai.
Master Chef UK. A great experience here. Today we came for our dinner in a very special restaurant in Bangalore. This is a Kerala style restaurant. The name is Restaurant Chef Pillai. So I will show you what all the items and the speciality of this restaurant in this episode. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tinder Travel. So now we are starting with the starters, a special starter. Let us ask what is the speciality of this?
Now I am presenting you with Kadungmanga Sambara, which is basically Kerala pickles in pani puri, filled inside the pani puri and served with a buttermilk.
So we can say Kerala version of
Kerala version of pani puri, yes.
Yeah.
Instead of the pani puri water, it is
So
buttermilk.
Puri is same,
Yes.
but inside you are stuffing the pickle.
Pickle, yes.
Right?
Pickle, yes.
And this is the buttermilk.
This is the buttermilk.
So good. Let's try then.
Yeah.
Right?
You try.
Nanda, you want to try? No? No. Okay, let me try. There is some pickle inside. Adding the buttermilk. Very nice.
Is it spicy?
Good. Little bit spicy.
I'm not gonna eat. But tasty.
It's very tasty. Yeah.
I have a very small mouth, okay? You try.
How's it?
Right?
Nanda,
Yeah.
we will go
Okay.
upstairs, cover some more visuals.
Okay.
By that time, our next item will come.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Come.
To be honest, that pani puri thing was like a little too spicy in the end, so I just drank some water.
Really spicy, but it's tasty.
Yeah.
Because you don't like spicy things, right?
Yeah.
It's good, right? Looking
Yeah.
very nice. Nice
Yeah.
ambience inside.
Yeah. I even like the tissue holders. They look like some.
See the lights?
Oh, beautiful.
See the ambience from here?
Oh my god.
That is the counters, right?
Yeah.
See, this is a separate AC space. Here also you can come and have your food. It is up to you. Very nice ambience.
I'm surprised that I didn't get cold here and I got cold in below us. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Neatly arranged, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Next item.
Yeah.
Decorated very nicely, right?
Yeah.
This is actually paramburi. Banana bhaji. Sweet banana bhaji, yeah. So the Kerala special, but they modified,
In their own version.
yeah.
Oh.
It's a different version altogether. Decorated very nicely. This is another chat,
Yeah, North Indian chai.
North Indian chat. Very good.
Actually, this is Tenga Manga Batani Sundar.
Tenga manga,
Batani.
batani sundar. Okay, good.
Tenga means jackfruit or coconut and manga. Oh, coconut. Then manga means mango and batani I don't know.
Green peas.
Green peas.
Yeah, you try that.
So we should cut it. I thought it was cut first only.
So I will introduce the owner and the chief chef of this restaurant. He is very famous. You can Google the name Suresh Pillai. So you will get to know who is he. So, hi sir.
ഹലോ നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ വന്നതിൽ വളരെ സന്തോഷം ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പിയാണ് ഞാൻ ഒരു ഗസ്റ്റിനെ സെർവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയത്
You know, whatever you prepared, we are having, right? So it is our privilege to come here and having. Right?
താങ്ക് യു സോ
Yeah.
മച്ച്
Thanks a lot, sir.
താങ്ക് യു
Yeah. This is a special drink. You know what is this? Tender coconut water, honey and mint. So this is a special drink. Let me try.
I tried it. It's so
Very
nice.
healthy, very tasty. You can say it is organic,
Organic
because
one,
honey,
yeah.
tender coconut.
Super. It's like I'm drinking it in a beach, like resting in a beach and drinking this.
You know who is Suresh Pillai? He is best known as a contestant of MasterChef UK of BBC. So he is very famous. So you can Google, you will get all the information about him. Basically, Suresh Pillai is from Kerala. Authentic Kerala food plus Suresh Pillai special you can taste from here. Very nice restaurant. How is the food? Sir, how is the food?
Very good.
So the real Kerala taste you will get from here, right?
It's real Kerala.
Yeah. So you can see the items. Varieties of items you can see here, right? Kerala paratha, then chicken curry. What is this?
This is Nirvana, fish Nirvana. The fish is really fresh, and Nirvana we are tasting first time, and it's really good.
This is Kerala famous idiyappam. Very good.
Samis is very nice.
So how you came to know about this restaurant?
Some reference I got it from my friend.
Okay.
From my friend I came here.
Thank you. Thank you.
There are people tree. I understood it's a people tree because of the heart-shaped leaves. And look at the end. How the how that is. Looks quite. Yeah, biology.
This is Kerala special Ullithiyal, and this is the Suresh Pillai special Paneer Nirvana. So this same version will be there in the fish as well. It's a non-veg. So they have prepared the vegetarian special for us. So he is famous in this. It is his customized dish. Okay.
I like the appam.
We are having paratha, not having rice item, and Nanda is having appam,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So good.
Oh, this you like it.
Yeah.
Oh.
How's it?
Not bad.
This item prepared out of small onion. Traditional Kerala style. Super. Tasting the Nirvana, the special, Suresh Pillai special. Fantastic. No words.
Nirvana is that name almost like got into my mind. Nirvana, any hint?
Tell.
Iguana.
How is it?
Awesome. I loved it so much.
Due to Navratri, we are not having the non-veg item. Trying only the veg and not any rice items. We will come again for detailed review for non-veg items. Right now we can't do that because we are having vegetarian items.
Yeah.
But even vegetarian is also awesome.
Good thing we're not eating rice. I hate rice.
We are almost done.
Yeah.
How's the food?
I loved it.
Really?
Yeah. This is him, the chef Suresh Pillai.
This is the special item here. They are preparing the Nirvana. And that is appam. How's it?
Nice.
This is the kitchen. They maintain very well. This is really a recommended place in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So here you can see. This is the serving counters. These are all the orders. This is the special item, Nirvana. Really a great experience here. We really recommend this place.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's our privilege to meet you, right? So food was awesome. Please visit this place. This is just opposite to Phoenix Mall.
Thank you everyone, and support
Bye.
this YouTube channel as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are waiting for our car.
Yeah.
How's the experience?
Wonderful experience.
With this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a
Wonderful day.